To tonight's video, it's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I usually use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. For those of you that are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the assets one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct at the moment, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with your trading activities. Okay, and for those of you willing to make $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into a reasonable level, just the way other people have been doing. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. This was on uptrend before, and right from there it came back on downtrend, even though it played around there for a while, and of course it has gotten back to this resistance zone and might want to get to this region before selling again. So if it's unable to break out from this particular resistance zone, then it might go back on a downtrend. But if it breaks out above it, then definitely it will get to this particular resistance zone before it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so for now this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. So it's more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out boom 500 right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and of course this had been spiking and spiking. It's an uptrend, even though it has got into this resistance zone, so it will be selling more at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but watch out for the support zones. Okay, that's very important. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, breaking most resistance zone. It has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it will go back on sell trend. Buying at the moment might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell direction. That is very important. So the next one is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out. This went on uptrend right from here till it got to this region, but came back on downtrend. If you should notice, it maintained this support zone. Okay, you can see it's on the trend line. Okay, it's maintained it. Okay, and of course it went back up right from there, and of course this is also forming another resistance zone, just the way we are seeing it right from here. So it was unable to break out above it, so it pulled back, and if it tries it out again, if it does not break out above it, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But this is still more of a buying opportunity at the moment than a selling opportunity. Okay, if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it should be selling right from there. So the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got into this support zone, and it has been playing around there for some time now. If it's unable to break out above it, below it, then it will go back into a buy trend. But for now, it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. This might not go for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come come up with, and all you just need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.